I'm here with my setup. I already did the HTML part because I don't want to waste your time. So if you don't know HTML, please learn HTML first, or I will explain you now. But before that, you just need to know my folder structure. So I have folder structure here: index.html, style.css, and images folder, where I have stored my 5 images, which is I'm going to use in my section background. Okay, so I have 5 different sections. So first one is different, but other 4 section is similar. Okay, so I just took an inline style background image, okay, and then I just take a div in my section, and then my element h1 and an anchor link. And another section or subsections, I have background images. In every section I have background images with p means paragraph and anchor links. That's it. This is the one which is you can copy and paste. Just change the folder path of the image, background image. Okay, so this is it. You just don't need to do anything. H1 here because I just want to highlight my website with a little bit words. Okay, so let's go to our style sheet and start styling. You just need to write those resets. Font family is Poppins. I just linked my style sheet Google Fonts. You can also use that too. Okay, so let's style our sections. Okay, so section, display, flex, and align item center, justify content center, which is now a flex box. Okay, let's say in section we have div and a p max width 1000 pixel. Okay, and now I can get in middle. Okay, so we have our paragraph in middle now. Okay, let's say text align center, and then color white. So this is our status right now, and let's just say minimum height is 100 viewport height. 100 viewport height means full height window, full height of our window. And then we just need to set up our background image. So let's say background position center. So this is now background position center, and background attachment fixed. Okay, so this is now scrolling as a parallax background. So this is amazing. Okay, let's just make more focus in our content. So how can we do that? Let's say position relative to make it pin, and let's take sections pseudo class before or after. I'm going to take before, and define content blank content, position absolute, top 0 and left 0. Okay, height 100% and width 100%, and we have to give it a background color, which is I'm going to give it a RGBA so that I can control the opacity. Okay, 000.7. Okay, so this is my background layer. Okay, and now we just need to make it z index -1, and our section is going to be z index -9 or just +9. Okay, so this is our text or content which is in front of our section, and let's just say we need to fix or resize all of those. We just need to design our h1. Okay, so font size 100 pixel. Okay, 100 pixel. Let's say color of random color, no problem. This is just for testing purpose. Okay, just a flat color. And then we just need to set up our paragraph or button. Let's say paragraph, font size 24 pixel. Okay, this is 24 pixel. And let's say button, display inline block, padding 15 by 25 pixel, background color white, and just text color 222. Simple enough. And let's say font size 20, text transform uppercase, and text decoration obviously none, letter spacing 1 pixel, and this is our button. Simple enough, and we just need to give it a hover effect. So button, hover, background color will be two, and the text color will be white. Okay, let's make it smoother. Okay, now let's say transition 0.4s linear. Okay, you can just set it like border radius 50 pixel to make it to give it a shape, rounded shape, and just make it more wide. Okay, so this is our amazing Parallax website. If you are a beginner, you can represent yourself or your work as a front-end developer, beginner front-end developer. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to get more updates.